Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to create a complete SEO optimized blog post in just one click using SEO writing. Check out this finished article that not only includes custom images and embedded YouTube videos, but also leverages a unique brand voice to create your content in your signature style. In this video, I will show you how easy it is to generate an article and even publish directly to WordPress. And we'll be using their newest update featuring DeepSeek version 3 and real-time SERP. So follow along with me and I'll show you how to create a perfect blog post using only a keyword with SEO Writing's one-click blog post feature. So let's run through how SEO Writing works. You can follow along with this tutorial if you wish by clicking on the link in the description below, which will take you to the SEO Writing website where you can start using SEO Writing completely for free on the free plan. Everything kicks off from this dashboard page where you can either choose one-click blog post or bulk article generation when you're generating new content. However, now just before we start, I wanted to mention something very important, which is connecting SEO Writing to your WordPress website. SEO Writing can publish your content directly to WordPress, saving you a ton of time. But if you're going to want to do that, I highly recommend that you set it up before you start creating content. So before going any further, what you should do is come down here to your account logo and then come up here to integrations. All right, and here we have WordPress as the first option. To be honest, this install plugin button doesn't actually install the plugin. It just opens up the guide to show you how to do it. It's just the same as installing any other WordPress plugin. If you have a WordPress site, you'll be familiar with the process, but we'll run through it anyway. So once you're in your WordPress dashboard, go down to plugins here, click add new plugin, type in SEO Writing. There it is. Click install now. That's installed. Now hit activate and then come down here where you'll see it on the list and click settings. And now we can click connect. And there we have it. HubJam successfully connected. So now we're ready to generate our content. So we'll go back to the home page and click one-click blog post. And the first thing we have to do is to enter our main keyword, which is going to be this one. And then we hit generate a title. And here we have our title, Boost Your Business with AI-Powered Avatars, which I think is good enough to keep. If you wanted to change it, you could just generate the title again, or you can actually just write whatever title you want here. So next up, we have our core settings. So we're going to leave it on US English, and the article type is going to be, I think we're going to choose opinion piece, and the article length. If we have it on medium, we're looking at a pretty long article, I would say. Perhaps it's better on small. Yeah, let's keep that on small. Now we look at content settings. Now I would suggest before setting the content settings, we choose our brand voice, because as you'll see, once we've chosen Tech Guide Expert, the tone of voice and point of view are actually grayed out because that's already established with our Tech Guide Expert brand voice. Now let's just take a look at how the brand voice works. The brand voice allows you to shape your writing style for articles, customize the tone, vocabulary, syntax, and more to develop a unique style for your articles. So what we do is, inside either the one-click blog post or the bulk article generation, it doesn't matter which, there's a brand voice section here. And to set up your brand voice, if there isn't one, you just click here, the drop-down menu, and select Create Brand Voice. And here, what it's asking us for is either to just paste in some text, upload a file, or do a web scrape from a URL. So what I'm going to do is I've prepared some text from a video, which is this here. It's actually taken from a video of the Kingy AI channel, highly recommended. And so we click Create Brand Voice, and that will be analyzed. And now we're presented with the outcome of the analysis. It gives us a tone, point of view, style, brand archetype, vocabulary and language, syntax, target audience, company mission. So it's very complete. And the great thing is that all of this can be edited, because perhaps brand archetype isn't necessary, so you can just hit the X here and delete that. or you can add an element and you can call it what you want. Okay, yeah, and anyway, it's got it right. Enthusiastic, friendly and encouraging, speaks like a helpful mentor sharing exciting discoveries, and that is exactly how he talks. And it's also generated this name, Tech Guide Expert, but that is editable. We can call it what we like, but I'll leave it as is. So we'll save that brand voice, and then anytime we are creating an article or bulk articles, we have our brand voice here ready to be selected, Tech Guide Expert. So then the next thing to do is to choose the AI model. Now we're going to choose DeepSeek because SEO Writing have recently added DeepSeek with real-time SERP. So let's go for that, see how that performs. And also to note that if you do choose DeepSeek, then text readability and AI content cleaning are also not available. If we were to choose something else, like GPT-4o, then we could set the text readability or the AI content cleaning, which removes AI words. However, we definitely want to use the new DeepSeek option for this run through. So let's do that. Actually, when we select DeepSeek, it also grays out the article type and the article size. That's also going to be done based on the SERP. And then target country, United States. Now, the details to include section is optional. If we click Learn More, it shows us how we can add some details like telephone number and address and services offered. So it seems to have been designed for local businesses. However, I'm going to insert a couple of the leading AI avatar services and see how that comes out. Okay, so I've put recommended AI avatar services, HeyGen and Synthesia, with their 2 URLs, and we'll see what SEO Writing does with those. And now we're at the Media Hub section. So this is where we ask the SEO Writing to create some images that are relevant and increase engagement, and also to embed some YouTube videos. So let's ask for 5 images. Just leave the image style as none and make them 3x2, no brand name, and no additional instructions. Include the main keyword in the first image as alt text, and then tick that the alt text for all images should be based on their content, and then we'll ask it to insert 3 YouTube videos. And here we have some layout options, and I think we'll stick to alternate image and video. So that's the Media Hub done. Now we move down to SEO. As we have DeepSeek and real-time SERP enabled, this is grayed out, and that will be done automatically based on the SERP. Now in the structure section, we have this interesting introductory hook brief. So it wants to know for the opening hook, what type of hook to use. Question, statistical, quotation, etc. And I think I'll go with statistical or fact. Okay, looking good. Now, do we want a conclusion? Yes. Tables? Yes. H3s? Yes. Lists? Yes. Italics? Yes. Quotes? Yes. Key takeaways? Yes. FAQ? I'm going to say yes. I can also remove them later, obviously. Let's just say yes with Q&A, and then internal linking. Now, I'm going to be linking this article to my new website, so I don't have anything on there. This is going to be the first article, so I'm just going to leave that. However, if you do already have a site with content, then you would click Add a Website here. So as I've already connected my site, all I have to do is click the drop down here, and my site appears, and I select it. Okay, so there are more options here. However, as mentioned, I don't have any content yet on this site, so I'm actually going to say none. And now we go down to external linking, which is where SEO Writing will link automatically to authoritative external sites. So I'm going to have that on automatic. You could have it on custom, which is where you state which sites you want to link to, but I'm leaving it at automatic, and I'm going to say evenly throughout, and 3 to 4 links. You can exclude URLs too. And now we come to the Connect to Web feature, which is a very powerful feature which will allow SEO Writing via DeepSeek to connect to the web and access and use data and information up to date, sourced from the internet beyond its pre-trained data. So we definitely want that to be on. We say yes. And then the option to display a list of source links at the bottom of the article, which I like very much, and I think I'll choose this format. And we definitely want real-time search and citations, which, just like external linking, adds authority to our content because it's backed up. And this source data is interesting because in the case of AI avatars, for example, we don't want it to be taking data from 10 years ago. I think within the last year is fine, so we'll choose that. I'm not going to exclude any URLs. And now we come to the powerful syndication section, where SEO Writing can create marketing materials for some or all of these platforms from the new blog post that we are creating. And now the outline editor, which again, as we've chosen DeepSeek and real-time SERP, is grayed out. This is a must-have. Okay, and last but not least, we want SEO Writing to publish to our website. So I just hit the drop down, select HubJam, like so, and then these other options appear. So we have to tell it whether it's a post or a page. It's a post. Do I want it to be published immediately or to be drafted? I'm going to draft it just to check it over before I publish it. And if I want it in a category. So actually, as I don't have any content yet on the site, I haven't even got any categories set up. So I'm just going to select uncategorized for the purposes of this demonstration, but you would have your categories here, which you would then choose accordingly. Yes, we're going to allow it to add tags. I don't have an author set up either, so I'm going to leave that, but you would have your author set up and then you would select the relevant author. And then how we want our URL to be set up. So you can choose either title or main keyword. I would suggest the title, as it would coincide with the article title. And then to add the first image as a featured image, and we can add our meta description as well. So that is it. That's the complete run through of doing our one-click blog post, which has been configured exactly as we want it. And so we can now hit run. Let's go. And that is underway. All right, so our article is ready. Let's take a look. So here it is. Boost your business with AI-powered avatars. So we have our complete article with our images, videos, bulleted lists, table here with our Hagen and Synthesia recommendations. And we have conclusion and FAQs. We also have a citation here from TechCrunch with plenty of factual data, and on the whole the images look good. Just the only thing, this first image is really not right. So what we can do is we can come here to edit and just regenerate. So let's see what it does. Yes, it's a bit like Thunderbirds, but this is not Super Mario Nation. So look, let's try regenerating again. Right, I don't know what it's doing with this image here. That's right, so I'm just going to change the text. Let's see. An AI avatar doing a presentation. Let's see what it does with that. Okay, it's just giving us variations on the same concept, really. So what we can do instead, just get rid of that and upload an image instead. And we'll try ChatGPT's brand new image feature. So let's see what we get with ChatGPT. Okay, that is a lot better. Let's grab that, upload it, and hit enter image. Okay, like that a lot better. But besides that, the rest of it was absolutely fine. The only thing is, perhaps I would have liked it to be slightly longer, an article, because it's 1,600 words. It's not bad. I think it's a fantastic result. Now, on the right here, we have a brand new feature of SEO Writing, which is the content score, showing how optimized our content is compared to our competitors. Now, how to use this new feature to get your score up, which is obviously the aim of this, to get your score up into the 80s or 90s even, is worthy of its own video. So I'm not going to be running through that in detail in this video. I just wanted to let you know that that was there because it's apparently one of the most requested features on SEO Writing and was just launched on the 27th of March of this year. And as I linked to my website, this article should now be on my website. So let's have a look. Let's go to our dashboard in WordPress, to our posts, and indeed here it is as a draft. And we'll just preview that. By the way, you'll find a link to the live article on my website in the description below. I'd love to hear what you think about it, so please drop me a comment below. Okay, looking good. Hopefully I can update this article. Let's go back to SEO Writing, and over here, published. Yes, it says republished. Let's hit that. Publication setting, post, draft, uncategorized, and republish. That should update the changes that we made. Let's refresh, and there we go. Perfect. That is a great image from Chat GPT, by the way, with the text. The text is perfect. Okay, so very happy with this result. It was so easy, and I would highly recommend it. As we wrap up, let's take a look at the pricing. We have 3 tiers: free plan, starter plan, and professional. The free plan will give you 5 articles, the starter up to 50 and the professional up to 250. On starter you'll get 1 brand voice and on professional 5. The free plan is completely free, but it works with your OpenAI key, so you pay for your usage. And these are the prices if you pay monthly, and then if you pay yearly you can enjoy 25% off. And talking of 25% off, as sponsors of this video, SEO Writing have very kindly provided me with a coupon code for my viewers, which will give you 25% off any plan. And that code is HubJam25. Make sure to check out the video description for the details and start enjoying these powerful tools today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you want to see me use SEO writing in a specific use case? If so, let me know. And coming up next, when I've done it, you'll see a video about how to use SEO Writing's bulk generation feature. That's all for now. See you in the next one.